Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown of portable air conditioners. Whether you're looking to cool down your bedroom, office, or living room, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we break down the top 5 contenders in the portable AC game, so you can make the coolest choice for your summer comfort. Let's jump right in. First, we're diving into the Whynter Elite 12,000 BTU dual-hose digital portable air conditioner. Let's see if it's worth the hype. First off, I love how easy it is to control. With its digital display and intuitive remote, adjusting the temperature and mode settings is a breeze. The dual-hose system? It's a game changer. Not only does it cool down rooms faster, but it's also super efficient, saving you energy and money. And can we talk about portability? With its easy roll casters, you can move it from room to room without breaking a sweat. No complicated installation required. Overall, the Whynter Elite delivers on its promises. Powerful cooling, efficient operation, and hassle-free portability. If you're in the market for a portable AC, this one's a winner. Next, we're diving into a product review of the LG 7000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Alright, let's talk about this sleek and powerful unit from LG. At 7000 BTUs, this portable air conditioner packs a serious punch, making it perfect for cooling down medium-sized rooms, whether it's your bedroom, living room, or home office. One of the things we love most about this unit is how easy it is to install. With its simple setup and convenient wheels, you can move it from room to room with ease, keeping you cool and comfortable wherever you go. Now, let's talk about performance. The LG portable air conditioner features multiple cooling and fan speeds, allowing you to customize your comfort level to suit your needs. Plus, with its programmable timer, you can set it to turn on or off automatically, saving you energy and money on your electricity bill. But perhaps the best part of all is how quietly this unit operates. Say goodbye to noisy, disruptive air conditioners that keep you up at night. The LG portable air conditioner runs whisper quiet, so you can enjoy a peaceful night's sleep without any distractions. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and portable air conditioning solution, look no further than the LG 7000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Next, we're taking a close look at the Black+Decker BP-ACT-14HWT Portable Air Conditioner and Heater. Let's see if this versatile unit is worth your investment. First off, this unit is a real multitasker. With 14,000 BTUs of cooling power and a built-in heater, it's ready to keep you comfortable all year round. Whether it's scorching hot or freezing cold outside, this air conditioner has you covered. Next up, let's talk about usability. The BP-ACT-14HWT features straightforward digital controls and a handy remote, making it easy to adjust the temperature and fan settings to your liking. No complicated manuals or confusing buttons here. And let's not forget about portability. Thanks to its compact design and smooth rolling casters, you can easily move this unit from room to room without breaking a sweat. In summary, the Black+Decker BP-ACT-14HWT Portable Air Conditioner and Heater is a reliable all-in-one solution for your home comfort needs. With its powerful performance, user-friendly controls, and portable design, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to stay comfortable year-round. Next, we're diving into the Midea Duo 12,000 BTU high-efficiency inverter portable air conditioner. Let's see if this ultra-quiet unit lives up to its promises. First things first, let's talk about efficiency. With its high-efficiency inverter technology, this air conditioner not only cools down your room quickly but also does it quietly. Perfect for those hot summer nights when you need some peace and quiet. Another standout feature is the dual-hose design. Unlike single-hose units, the Midea Duo pulls in fresh air from outside while expelling hot air, resulting in faster cooling and better energy efficiency. Plus, it's easy to install and doesn't require any permanent modifications to your space. Now, let's talk about usability. The Midea Duo comes with a sleek and intuitive control panel, making it easy to adjust the temperature, fan speed, and mode settings. Plus, it also comes with a remote control for added convenience. In summary, The Midea Duo 12,000 BTU high-efficiency inverter portable air conditioner is a solid choice for anyone looking to stay cool and comfortable during the summer months. With its efficient cooling, ultra-quiet operation, and user-friendly controls, it's definitely worth considering. Finally, we're diving into the Honeywell Portable Evaporative Air Cooler. Let's see if this compact cooling solution is the answer to beating the summer heat. First off, let's talk about how this cooler works. Instead of using refrigerants or compressors like traditional air conditioners, the Honeywell Portable Evaporative Air Cooler uses the natural process of water evaporation to cool down your space. Simply fill up the water tank and let the cooler do its magic. One of the best things about this cooler is its portability. With its lightweight and compact design, you can easily move it from room to room, whether you're chilling in the living room during the day or catching some Z's in the bedroom at night. Plus, since it doesn't require any refrigerants or compressor, the Honeywell Portable Evaporative Air Cooler is incredibly energy efficient, helping you save on your electricity bills while reducing your carbon footprint. In summary, if you're looking for a cost-effective and eco-friendly way to stay cool this summer, the Honeywell Portable Evaporative Air Cooler is definitely worth considering. With its simple operation, portability, and energy efficiency, it's a game-changer for beating the heat. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 portable air conditioners that'll keep you cool all summer long. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tips on keeping your space comfortable. Thanks for watching, and stay cool out there. For more info on these top 5 best portable air conditioners, check out the description area below. Thanks.